Hi there, roller skaters. Today we are at the skate park again. It's very, very hot, but we're having fun. And this is a video about how to do a Spider-Man stall, or I've heard it called a Spider-Man.
Or woman.
Or woman, or spider person, however you want to think of it. But it's a pretty cool stall that you can incorporate it a couple different ways, going forward, going fakie or backward. And if you like turn into do like a backside stall or a half cab, you can turn any of those stalls into a Spider-Man, Spider-Woman, Spider-Person stall. So I'm gonna go over to that coping and show what I mean. First of all, of course, you need to be able to stall solidly, you know, on 2 feet. All right. And then the next step, I think, just starting with the basic like plate stall or going forward. So when you do stall, you're gonna push your second foot out. See that? For me, that's my right foot. My first foot's my left foot, my second foot right, push out. All right?
Okay.
Do that a few times. So if you're the other way, switch it the other way around. Front foot, back foot, push, back in. As you do it, you wanna get lower, lower, and lower to where eventually you can touch with one hand.
Looks stylish.
I touch with my right hand. So left foot on, right foot push. Oh, missed it. Front foot on, second foot, hand, back in. Again. Front foot, second foot, hand, back in.
Those look cool.
All right, so I think this is a really good stall to learn because it teaches us how to slide. You're sliding on one foot, that second foot. So then if you want to incorporate that into moving different ways, I'm gonna go as if, you know, to do like my backside stall again. My front foot's my left foot, my back foot's my right foot. I'm turning to the left. So if you're the other way around, switch it. I'm gonna go do my backside and partially Spider-Man, but not all the way. So again, first, you wanna have the stall down. Check out the video how to backside stall if you don't. But when you go do that stall, push the second foot. First step, push the second foot. Turning, pushing. In my case, I turn to the left, push out on the right foot. Turn to the left, push out on the right foot. Drop a little lower, drop right hand. Or if you're turning the other way, drop the other hand.
Super stylish.
Up. Spidey senses. All right. Now, if you really get, for me, the hardest one is half cab.
Why
I've
is
always
that?
had a hard time with half cab anyway.
Why?
Now I don't know. For some reason, it took me forever to figure out. Now I'm gonna try a Spider-Man half cab, or I'll see if I can do it. All right. So, going over here. Oh, push. Halfway. Let's try it again.
Almost.
All right. Get back in place. Let's try it again. Push on.
What control.
You can actually Spider-Man, Spider-Person from a lot of positions. How about fakie? So, going to fakie stall. Again, I push my second foot out. This is a great pre-step or first step to learning how to slide, right? If you want to slide from any of these stalls. Ah, I went off, look at that.
No big deal.
If you want to slide from any of these stalls, Spider-Man is a great way to do it. Great way to learn sliding with one foot.
Getting comfortable with your feet being apart, kind of, right?
Before you commit to sliding with 2 feet, if you can slide with 1 foot, kind of makes it feel more natural. So I think that's really fun to try. You know, doing it on something low, like this is pretty low, is less intimidating than doing it on something high. And you can even practice this on like a little P-rail. Kevin made a video about building a P-rail before that we did. And so if you like maybe don't have access to a skate park or a ramp or whatever, maybe you don't feel comfortable there yet, you could build a P-rail and practice on a P-rail, or like the bottom part of a bike rack. Like we talked about
parking
that before.
curb.
A parking curb. But parking curb's kind of hard to slide.
It's hard to slide it.
Hard to slide on, but you can practice the stall. You just practice like the basic idea of getting low. You know, you're not sliding really, but putting 1 foot out and the hand down, whichever way you do it, if you want to do it this way. But if you practice like on the bottom rail of a bike rack or a P-rail or something like that, you can practice pretty much any stall on those things anyway. So that's I think it's a really fun trick. It's pretty stylish once you get the hang of it, and it gets us comfortable with the sliding motion on one foot. And then maybe later on we'll take it into sliding with both feet. So I hope y'all like that. Please let us know in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.